Are you ready to go to London?
Yeah, definitely.
Good. Okay, where do you want to go?
Well, my name's Ben, so I want to go to Big Ben.
Oh, great. Okay. Can you breathe?
Yes, I can.
Can you see?
No.
Good. Okay, class. Ben, where do you want to go?
Big Ben.
I want.
I want to go to Big Ben.
Good, Ben. Okay, class, you're going to help Ben go to see Big Ben. Give me your hand, Ben. There we go. Now, wait just a second. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
You're going to start from here, and the class is going to give you directions.
Okay.
Go straight. Keep going, keep going. Go left. Go right. Keep going. Keep on, keep on, keep on. All the way. Keep on. Go right. Go straight. Oh, no, sorry, go left. Keep on, keep on. There you go. Stop.
Did I get to Big Ben?
Take the blindfold off. Did you make it to the bed bag?
Yes. Okay.